making slime again, but not with the same thing. But today I'm be using the Jot glue again with the same kind of detergent and sugar. I was surprised that it all makes slime because I was inspired by a girl who made, she said that slime made it with sugar and glue, but I tried it and it not work, so I put it in and it works, so I'm just going to show you how it works. So first of all, I'm just going to pour in the glue. And then the sugar, just add like 2 to 3 pinches of the sugar. And then once you've done that, start mixing. Just give it a really good stir. If you feel like you have to add more sugar, then yeah, but you don't really need to. Okay, after you have done that, add your Tide detergent. And just all mix that together. When it starts looking like that, all coming together. And just mix that till it all comes together. I will not be putting it in my hands because it is sticky and it's a watery stuff. Like I said in my other video, it will be a watery from the detergent. We're not going to be putting it in my hands. But you can see it is slime there. It is really sticky as you make it, but I say not to have it for like too long because I had made it like 1-2 days ago when I was inspired, and it's all sticking stuff, so I threw it away. And yeah, I just say not to have it too long. But in my next video, comment down below and subscribe if I should do testing slime videos, what I should do, or like what do you want me to do for my next